Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 6l minus 7 is greater than or equal to 5. We will work through this problem step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. So let's get started. Step 1. We start with the inequality 6l minus 7 greater than or equal to 5. Our goal in this step is to isolate the variable L on one side of the inequality. To do this, we need to get rid of the minus 7 on the left side. We can do that by adding 7 to both sides of the inequality. This is because adding the same number to both sides of an inequality does not change the inequality. So, we add 7 to the left side and also to the right side of 6l minus 7 greater than or equal to 5. The expression on the left side becomes 6l minus 7 plus 7. The minus 7 and plus 7 cancel each other out, leaving just 6l on the left side. The expression on the right side becomes 5 plus 7, which simplifies to 12. Now we have 6l greater than or equal to 12. In summary, by adding 7 to both sides, we have changed the inequality from 6l minus 7 greater than or equal to 5 to 6l greater than or equal to 12. This prepares us to further isolate L in the next step. Step 2. Now that we have the inequality 6l greater than or equal to 12, we need to isolate the variable L completely to solve for L. To do this, we need to get rid of the coefficient, which is 6 in front of L. The coefficient in this case is the number multiplying the variable L. To remove the coefficient, we divide both sides of the inequality by 6. This is because dividing both sides of an inequality by the same positive number does not change the direction of the inequality. So we divide the left side, which is 6l, by 6. 6 divided by 6 gives us 1, so we are left with 1l on the left side, which we simply write as L. On the right side, we divide 12 by 6, which simplifies to 2. Now we have L greater than or equal to 2. In interval notation, this solution can be written as bracket 2, comma, infinity bracket, where the bracket before the 2 indicates that the 2 is included in the solution, and the bracket after infinity signifies that infinity itself is not a number, but the interval goes on indefinitely. This concludes step 2, which is also the final step, since we have completely isolated L and solved the inequality. In summary, by dividing both sides by 6, we simplified the inequality to L greater than or equal to 2. Our final solution in both inequality notation and interval notation is L greater than or equal to 2, and bracket 2, comma, infinity bracket, respectively. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.